Hello and welcome back to another episode of Beers with Bill and Rods. My name is Joe and today we are talking about Ghetto Blaster from Motor City Brewing Works in Detroit, Michigan and the Maytag MGR6600FZ. This range is approximately 30 inches wide. Up to the top here we're at 46 5/8 and we have a total depth, including the handle, of about 28 inches. On the inside of the oven, we have a 5.0 cubic foot capacity on the inside. You have standard bake and broil on this with the thermal baking and thermal broil on there as well. On the inside, it is also a self-cleaning oven. Up top, we do have 5 burners. Your PowerBurner gets up to 18,000 BTUs. That's going to be power enough to do some ultimate searing for your steak, as well as get down nice and low so you can have an even simmer, nice and low for any of the sauces that you have to make with that burner as well. In the middle, we have an oval shaped burner. That's an 8,000 BTU burner for your odd shaped pans or oversized pans, griddles, those types of items to fit perfectly right here on this middle burner and give you nice even heating as well. All of your stainless steel that you see on here is fingerprint resistant. So that stainless steel is not going to leave smudges. It's going to look beautiful all the time. There is also a 10-year warranty on the cooktop burners, the oven burners, as well as these cast iron grates up top. So if these cast iron grates chip, crack, or rust, you're able to get those replaced. So that 10-year warranty really ups the ante with this Maytag range. Nice, simple range to use, looks great, professional look with these tube handles and these strong knobs up front. Let's take a look at this beer. Again, this is Ghetto Blaster from Motor City Brewing Works in Detroit, Michigan. This is a Detroit-style mild ale, 4.2 alcohol by volume. It pours a dark amber, or almost like a burnt orange color, and we got a light, fluffy head up top. The smells are very light on there. You get biscuit and toast. And some toffee and caramel with that as well. The tastes are quite light as well, but that toasted, the toasted qualities really come through with this, with the yeast and a little bit of sweet with the malts as well. The hops are you can barely distinguishable, but it is a good, easy drinking beer. Very drinkable, very enjoyable. You could have several of these and really wet your whistle. The same goes for this Maytag range. It is a simple range, it is beautifully packaged, and it offers everything that you're going to use when it comes to picking out a range. If you'd like to take a look at this range and the full Maytag suite as well that it's in, we're at 15870 Middle Belt Road in Livonia, Michigan. We'd love to show it to you. Come on by and see us. We're open all week. And then if you'd like to see our entire product lineup, visit our website, www.billandrodsappliance.com, and see everything that we have to offer, from appliances to grills and mattresses. And take part of our service as well. We are an authorized factory service provider for all of Maytag appliances as well. So if you'd like to talk appliances, come by and see us. If you'd like to talk beer, come by and see us. If you have a beer you'd like me to try, leave it in the comments or shoot me a message, or an appliance that you'd like to see, leave it in the comments or shoot me a message. I'd love to do it for you. Thanks again for tuning in, and we'll see you next week.